Oh, come to the rally, my two-wheeled friends. For 2 days and nights the fun never ends. Come with your rats, your cruisers and chops, your customs and trikes and all of those props, your camp stoves and tents, your lights and your flags, the fragrance of herb, your booze and your fags. Come to the rally, your waistcoat ablaze, with badges and patches and all that it says, telling your journey, the places you've been, the bikers you've lost, the things you have seen. Come and spend time with the others who know when the road begins calling, you just have to go, heading toward the sound of the band, the rock and the blues, the best in the land. Come to the rally, my sisters and brothers, share what is not understood by the others. We come from all walks, we're different inside, yet one when it comes to the love of the ride. Speeding like crazy or cruising along, tempo don't matter, we sing the same song. Take to the road, the twists and the bends. Come to the rally, I've missed you, my friends.